Julio sit here for 10 minutes and try to take out the bitch pin.
This shit is scary.
Wait, you got it out?
Yeah.
Oh shit, never mind. You got it out. Alright guys, another day here working. Well, Julio's working while I make the video for Steven while he is at work. Julio is dropping the trans to fix a couple things that was wrong with it. Well, Julio's not fixing it. He's taking it to one of our other boys to fix it. I'm not exactly sure what was wrong with it. He'll explain it to you better. I know something inside the trans was wrong. He couldn't get into third or something of the sorts. So Julio's here dropping the trans. He's draining the fluid. Almost ready to come out. And that'll basically be a wrap for what we're doing here today. So, yep. Working while Steven's at work.
Yeah. Niggas is finished, you heard? Trans is out. Ready to get finished. Fixed. We outside. Abused, you heard? Alright, what up guys? Today is Saturday. I'm here with my boy Brian. I'm back at it again, doing the fucking transmission because shit happened. So I didn't get the third and fourth hub and slider last time. Well, we didn't know until we saw that it was fucked up. And that was already, I thought I was gonna be able to get away with it, but Brian told me that it might not work. So sometimes you gotta, learn the hard way. But
this is the bearings too, right?
Yeah, everything is in there. Yeah. But the car is back from Jeff. He fixed the brakes. He ended up bleeding it with the snap-on vacuum gun and a big-ass compressor. Basically what he did was he pushed air in from each caliper. He pushed it in and then sucked air out. And I guess I needed that, like the professional snap-on gun with the big compressor. And the car's good now. And also, you guys don't see, the transmission is down because Julio came by the other day while I was at work, and he dropped the trans for me because I would literally have zero time. So the trans already dropped. Shout out to Julio for that. We got the trans over here. So what you guys don't know is I have an M Factory LSD that I bought right here. And then in this bag I bought this is a bearing conversion kit, right, for the differential. Third and fourth hub and slider, and what else I got? That's it, right? That's it. Yeah. Third and fourth hub and slider, and the diff ball bearing diff conversion kit. So we should be good not to go. Basically got a whole brand new trans rebuilt. Basically, right? All thing I need is will be some gear. So my guy Brian is about to open this shit up again, but this time we in Brooklyn, not in Long Island. Yeah. But yeah, so we're about to open this up and then put it back up, and then we should be good. So yeah, that's pretty much a quick update on the car. Nothing crazy, but everything has been fixed, and also lost my side skirt. So, but yeah, twin disc. But yeah, so this is where we at now. You guys up to speed? Start building this. Yeah, so should be a quick job. Here's the LSD right here. M Factory LSD. This is the slider right here. I'm pretty sure it's in the other box. But yeah, we're here. Putting it back should be fairly easy because there's going to be two of us. And we have all the tools that we need. Alright, so we finally got it open. Yeah, so that's the bearings that I bought there. Yeah, the gears look fucking good. How's it looking there?
There's no shavings, nothing. Here you go. Stinks.
I hate the fucking smell of that oil. Smell? Yeah, bro, I hate that shit.
I go home smelling like this shit every day. My wife be like, what the fuck is wrong with you?
Where's dirt is on this one, right?
Dirt is right here. This is 30 here.
Yeah, so before, this is where the clunk was at. Look, it won't even go in.
It's going into fourth. See? You see all the scratches on that?
Yeah,
shit?
So that's the one where
oh, damn. Up. You need a spring, my boy. My boy got it.
That spring?
You see the inside? You see how deep the grooves are on that bitch?
Yeah.
When I take it apart, you can see it.
Alright, so I need to get a spring for, what is that, third and fourth, right?
Well, no, just third gear. Son.
For just third gear, so he's about to call somebody. He bought a whole synchro and everything set for trans that he thought he had a GSR, but he had LS, so I'm gonna call him up and see if maybe if he could bring it. If not, then I'll just head to Full Throttle or to him, whatever, to buy it. A little spring, cause now that this shit is open, I might as well get everything out of the fucking way, cause I'm not trying to open this shit up again. You know,
Just getting the diff right. You know what? I'm a dickhead.
alright, so we got the Speedo gear off. It took us a little bit because that shit has been on since like 94, 96 around there, right?
Yeah.
Some shit, so
Definitely old.
20 some years already. We got it on factory diff now. We're waiting on his boy to come with the stuff. And I'm going to put everything back. And then we're going to see if third gear goes in. If third gear doesn't go in, then I'm going to have to buy, you said the third gear engagement teeth, right? Which I seen on eBay. It's pretty cheap. It's like 150 or some shit like that, 120. So we'll see. Hopefully we don't need to, because it's fucking
Pocket hurt.
bro. I got over $2,000 on this trans, bro. If you think about it, bro. I bought the trans for $7. Then all the parts, I spent $450, right, on the first parts. I got this LSD now. I got more parts, and I gotta buy more parts. Nah, it's like over $2,000 on a fucking trans. Yo, I should have just bought this transmission that somebody was selling me a while ago for, like, I think it was 22, bro. Everything was fully done in gears and everything. I should have just did that shit. Yeah, bro. But I ain't think my shit was hurt. It's the only bad thing about buying trans used, because you never know what they're gonna be.
That's what I tell people.
And then it's like you could get a trans too, and it'll be like an out of GSR, out of casing, and you open it up and it's fucked.
Should I fix mine or buy another?
Nah. To be honest, if I had a GSR, I would have kept it, but the B16 was screaming on the highway, bro. I did not like that shit at all. But yeah, so we on that. Moving, we moving at a good pace right now.
See how they higher up.
Oh,
If
okay.
I would just put the bearing, it would sit down onto the.
Oh, I get what. Yeah, so it needs that space to be able to spin freely. And this is better too, because it actually spins a lot better, right? With
Yeah,
that.
I like them better. They give less issues.
And Brian also told me to change this out, but here we go. I ain't listening, so here we are again. This is you? This guy she tells you not to worry about. Yo, Brian. I said this is you, and this is a guy she tells you not to worry about. Bro, look at the fucking difference on that shit. That shit is crazy. Alright, so this guy came over here and fucking hustled me, bro. So we put everything back together. Find out I needed a spring. One of his boys just came. I paid him for the spring.
Show him the thing.
Then where is it? What? Show you what?
Oh, you threw it out.
Oh, nah. Oh.
Yeah.
And wait, what was that? Fifth?
That was the hub and slider.
For third, right? Well, whatever. Third and fourth was fucked. And this guy, last minute, wants to be like, yo, this one doesn't look good either.
And then the teeth on third gear.
And the teeth on third gear. So I thought I was good on everything. I just spent what, 240?
240.
240. Another 240 on this goddamn transmission for the fifth and reverse, right? Hub and slider. And the teeth for third gear. Yo, everything else looks fine, right? Everything else looked good, right?
Nah, fuck.
Nah, come on, bro. Fuck. So we're not even gonna be able to finish it up today. He's actually gonna take the whole trans with him, because he gotta use the parts for the third gear teeth. And he'll just put it together for me, and then he'll just bring it back. And yeah, now he's gonna charge me now also for that. So I'm just here just giving money away. But no, just how he's gonna take the trans to his house, put it all together, and then the next time he come over here, bring it over here, and hopefully have time to put it. If not, you know, if not, if anything, you could just drop it off, and at that point, if anything, well, that's even if I could do it. If not, then we'll just leave it here, and I'll pay Julio or whatever, bro. Or I'll pay you, whatever you want to do, bro. Yeah, you see? Yeah, I'll pay Julio just to, you know what it is, bro? Every weekend, bro, I got, like, next week, I got a party to go to, and then Sunday we might be doing something else. Then I work Monday through Friday, and I get out by 7 or 8. So, like, I have zero time to do anything, bro. Literally, bro. Anyways, but yeah, so we got all the parts that we needed. Well, I just ordered the other parts. Everything is on there, so he's going to take everything. We're going to put it in this box, and then, yeah. Yeah, I'd rather him, because he was just going to, I'd rather him take it. That way he could just close it up and bring it back. I'll clean it, and then I'll just give it a little touch of paint, and then throw it back in the car. But at least I know now that the trans is, listen, it's on. We gotta record it. It's gonna be 100%, right? 100%, 95. Fuck yeah, I'll take it. That was that 5%. Another fucking spring.
Driver error.
Oh my god, bro. So we did everything. So I'm hoping we should be good now. God damn, bro. That's literally almost $3,000 already spent on this shit. But I do feel it, though. I could feel it even right here. I'm not even on front, though. When I used to go in fifth, it used to be kind of hard. Yeah. But, like, it went in, though. But I had to go hard and reverse. I had to, like, put it back.
The way this works is just like this. So fifth gear is this way. You know what I mean?
It did feel kind of hard, though. Reverse, too. Reverse, sometimes I had to, like, you know, play with it and then put it back to reverse.
Little teeth. They all chewed up. It's supposed to be pointed.
Yeah, like little, like the thing, right? Like the look like,
yeah, like
houses and shit. That shit look like a abandoned, a fucking abandoned house. But yeah, so I mean, we're gonna, I guess, how we gonna do is you're gonna just put everything in and just throw the casing over it.
I was thinking, I was standing over there thinking what I was gonna do. I don't know.
I guess we'll come up with a plan, and I guess I'll let you guys know.
Lay down first?
Yeah, go ahead. I just want to show people how it spins rather than how the stock bearing is. Oh shit, I'm about to get my finger. Yeah. Hype for this, but I had to spend more money. Fucking motherfucker, yo. Alright, so we're going to put everything back. And my guy's going to take it back all the way to Long Island until we meet again. Alright, so trans is back together. Car's gonna stay aside. Brian's gonna take it back, get it all fixed up, and then hopefully when he brings it back, I'll have time to put the trans up because there's a lot going on. Like every week, I got like something to do. So if not, then I'll end up fucking just paying Julio to put it up for me while I'm at work or doing some stuff because. It's like every week I got some stuff to do and I work Monday through Friday. So it's hard, but Brian said it should be back, what's that, next week, right?
Yeah, next Saturday.
By next Saturday. And yeah, next Saturday I got another party I gotta go to a party on next Saturday and the Saturday after that also too. So we'll see what I could do. Alright guys, I'm gonna go pick up some food for me and my daughter. But there you go, guys. It's always something, man. It's always something. It's never gonna be, you know, how you expect it to be or for it to be perfect. I could have gotten away with the fifth and reverse, but I ain't trying to cut no corners on this one. So now, like everything is legit gonna be new now in the car. So first and second hub and slider. The hub is not new. The hub is old, but the hub is good. The slide is new. Third and fourth hub and slide is new. Synchros is new. The springs is new. Now I'm gonna have third gear engagement teeth brand new. Fifth and reverse hub and slide is gonna be new also. So the trans is gonna be 100% now. So listen, shit happens. I'm not upset about it. Then I'm gonna call up Julio and see if he could put the trans up for me. You know, I'll do everything till I've done everything that's on the car, putting up the trans, putting up the motor, everything. I've done it literally alone by myself in the yard, but I've had time. These past weeks and stuff, there's been a lot of like behind the scenes stuff that I've been having to do, and it's a lot. So it'll get done regardless. So yeah, I mean, I'm pretty sure it'll be done within like a week or so. So thank you guys again for watching. I really appreciate everyone that watches and supports the channel. And yeah, stay tuned for the next vlog. It's always the thing with this car, man. But it's only gonna get better and better. Brand new trans, brand new motors, 0 miles on everything. So thank you guys again for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, boost, enjoy. Peace out.